Hello techies, we are in lab 846 and we're going to configure login in PfSense. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. To be more proactive in your defense against potential attack, you want to save the system logs being captured by PfSense firewall. In this lab, your task is to sign into PfSense using the username and password provided, configure the general system log, so the details provided below. Then I'm going to enable and configure remote system logins using the following instructions. And all right, so when I'm done with all of these, I am going to answer the questions that follow. So let's go ahead. Remember, this is lab 8.4.6 and we are going to go ahead and start lab. Now this video might appear to be too fast for you all. I apologize for that. I'm trying to make this as fast as possible, so you can always pause the video in between so that you can match every move I make. So let's log in with the details provided into our PfSense. Alright, so let's see, let's configure general system logs. So there's these system logs here, and then we are going to answer the first question: what is the maximum number of logs that can be displayed? So it's going to be 50. You can see maximum is 50 here. So let's close this and continue to the next task. So for the next task, we're going to settings and only show 25 logs at a time. So we just change this to 25, and 250,000 bytes. So we just change this to 250,000 bytes. And then is anything enable and configure remote system login using the following details. Alright, save the log files on COP server. So we're going to save the log files on COP server, and COP server 192.168.0.10, 192.168.0.10, and only forward system and firewall event. Alright, so system event, firewall event, and we are going to save. And I think that is all for here. So let's go ahead and answer the remaining question. This is going to be 25. It's 25. Let's show you can see it's 25 here, and we'll go ahead and check our answers. Now, if this video was helpful to you, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.